All right, let's fire up the forge. Let that warm up. All right, good and ready. All right, let that get hot. Start bending. All right, see how she is. That piece right there, bend it up, and that'll be it. Alright, now that it's cooled off, let's go put it on the Atlas milling machine. Okay, before I put it on the Atlas, I'm going to clean up the end here that goes into the Atlas. Just get the scale off. So, here we go. Alright, there we go. Cleaned up. Look at that. Perfect. That's pretty stable. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Alright, check it out. Looking good. That's gonna work out nicely. Plus, if I need to, I can move it all the way up here, take this holder, unscrew the Allen key, and put it so that it's up and down. That way I have more travel for when I have more stuff to work on that's bigger. So that's nice. That's gonna be great. So that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys would please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. Stay tuned for the next latest and greatest content on YouTube. All right, later.